Live catch rodent traps let homeowners remove mice and rats without killing them while reducing the chance of repeat infestations. For safe and effective do-it-yourself live catch trap use, start by choosing the right trap for the job. Single catch live box traps are compact and good for targeted removal, while multiple capture humane live traps work better when activity is widespread. Place traps along walls and near understood runways, since rodents rarely cross open spaces. Put bait at the far end so the animal fully enters the trap, and trigger plates activate reliably. Check traps at least once every day to minimize stress and dehydration, and to comply with many local welfare expectations. Wearing gloves when handling trapped animals reduces human scent transfer and lowers risk of disease transmission. When relocating animals, verify local regulations because some jurisdictions require release on the property or into specific areas, and never release near roads or into someone else's yard. Combine trapping with exclusion work such as sealing gaps larger than 1/4 inch around foundations, vents, and utility lines, and elevate door sweeps to stop re-entry. Use sanitation practices like storing pet food in sealed containers and removing clutter, so bait is more attractive than available household food. Homeowners commonly leave traps unchecked for days, which increases stress and legal exposure, so check daily and have a plan for humane handling and release. Another frequent issue is using the wrong bait or poor trap placement, which leads to repeated failures. Switch to high-value baits such as peanut butter or nut-based mixes and set traps along walls where droppings or grease marks appear. People also treat trapping as a one-time fix and neglect exclusion and sanitation, which causes repeated visits. Pair trapping with sealing entry points and removing food sources to prevent the next infestation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can assist with exclusion repairs and larger rodent-proofing jobs. We also connect contractors to work opportunities and host a discussion community where we share tips, local experiences, and practical advice.